Well, here I am on the summit of Dunnydeer. This is a very well-known local landmark near to Insch, and we're going to bring my drone into operation here. I was going to try up on Bennachie, but the winds are just too strong. They're gusting about 21 miles an hour down in the valleys, and when I tried to get up to Bennachie, I found it was a fresh to strong wind. So I'm trying Dunnydeer because it's a lower hill, but I've got onto the summit and again it's fresh, borderline strong, but it's not quite so prominent, the hill, so I'm just hoping that turbulence is going to be less of an issue. So I've powered up my remote control and we'll get the drone into flight ready state. So we just take off the gimbal protector, put those back in, unfold the rotors, nice and easy, and then we will put it on the ground over here. Hopefully you can see that. Let's just put it here. Okay. Now we're in the lee of the fort of Dunnydeer, and it's a bit quieter here, but there might be some turbulence when we take off. So let's see what we have. So I will just start recording. So we are now recording, but we haven't got GPS yet. And now I've got enough GPS, so I've got 17 satellites. So we'll just take off. So here we are, it's now taken off. So let's first of all just increase the altitude. See how it copes, and we'll just lower it's really struggling, but you can see what kind of lovely view we've got here. So we'll just do a little bit of flyby into the wind. I mean, isn't that a lovely evening view? So we're now about 50 meters away. It's kind of struggling a bit. It's about 5 meters a second, strong wind warning. Looking towards Tappernowth. And then we will wheel round to the north. It's about 150 meters away now. Now, been flight testing this, but this is the strongest winds I've tried it in, and it's coping okay, to be honest. So we've got Hill of Dunnydeer off to the left. Now we're flying towards Insch. And we'll turn a bit further to the right. There it is, Bennachie, straight ahead. Now me and Rachel, we've been discussing what name we should give this drone, and Rachel came up with Dizzy the drone, and I thought, yeah, that's actually quite a good name, I think, for a drone. I mean, the name of my Tesla is called Tobias the Tesla, so Dizzy the drone, I can work with that. That's very good. Right, so this is Hill of Christ's Kirk. Straight ahead. Now we're struggling, 3 meters a second gusts, 2 meters a second. We're making 1 meter a second progress here. Here we are. Isn't that a lovely view? I think that's fantastic. But we're really struggling to make headwind in this in here. But nonetheless, it's pretty good. It's bouncing around all over the place. I can just see it. I'm not going to fly through the hole. Okay, let's bring her down. There we go. Say hello to Dizzy the drone. There we go. Down a bit, left a bit. Do a little spin. Say hello to Dizzy. Let's do a little spin. Very good. Okay, time to land this thing. It's really struggling here. Come on, down you get, down you get. There we go. Isn't that great? I love that. Fantastic. So, that's a nice little test flight of Dizzy the drone. So it's now time to pack up, and I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you again very soon.